Hello students, let us start with the next module of this topic, and here we are going to learn problems on PDF. So moving further with the question here, the time for a lab assistant to prepare the equipment is given as a function. Here f of x is 1 upon 10 for x greater than equal to 25 and less than equal to 35. What is the probability that preparation time exceeds 33 minutes, and also find CDF of x? So here the solution goes like this. We'll take x as the preparation time. So the value of x will be from 25 minutes to 35 minutes. So here p of x greater than 33, that means preparation time exceeds 33 minutes. It is simply greater than 33, therefore it can take values which are less than or equal to 35. So I can say p of x greater than 33 is nothing but integral 33 to 35 f of x dx. So integral 33 to 35 1 upon 10 dx. So this value will be integral 1 dx equal to x. So substituting here the values of integral, we get the value as 1 upon 10 into x from the limit 33 to 35. So substituting the limits, I get the value as 35 minus 33 upon 10, which is nothing but 2 upon 10, which is 1 by 5. So this is the probability of x greater than 33. Moving further to the next part, f of x was to be calculated, so let f of x be the CDF of x. We know that f of x is integral from lower limit to x f of x dx. So here the lower limit was 25, and here we have to take integral from 25 to x f of x dx. So on further calculation, integral 25 to x 1 upon 10 dx. So we know that integral 1 dx is x, 1 by 10 is constant, it is taken outside, so x upon 10 from 25 to x will be the value for this integral. Now substituting the upper and lower limits, I get the value as x minus 25 upon 10. So this is the value for f of x, that is CDF of x. Now moving further, the next problem given to us is f of x is 1 upon 2a, where x is greater than 0 and less than 2a, and we have to show that p of x less than a by 2 is equal to p of x greater than 3a by 2. So it is quite simple problem for us. Here the solution goes like this. Here LHS is p of x less than a by 2. Since x is less than a by 2, it can take values which are less than a by 2 up to 0, because the lowest limit of x here is 0. So I can take integral 0 to a by 2 f of x dx. So here integral 0 to a by 2 1 upon 2a dx will be simply equal to integral 1 dx here, so it is nothing but x. Substituting the value here, I get the integral as 1 upon 2a of x into x from 0 to a by 2. Substituting the limits, I get the value as 1 upon 2a into a by 2 minus 0. So this value will be simply equal to 1 upon 4. So I have calculated the value for LHS. Now moving on to the RHS part. P of x greater than 3a by 2. Here P of x greater than 3a by 2. Greater than 3a by 2 means it can take values which are up to 2a. So I have to take integral from 3a by 2 up to 2a, 1 upon 2a dx. So solving this, integral 1 dx is nothing but x. Substituting the value here, 1 upon 2a x from the lower limit 3a by 2 to the upper limit 2a. Now on further calculation, I get the value as 1 upon 2a into upper limit 2a minus 3a by 2. This value turns out to be 1 upon 2a into 4a minus 3a upon 2 by taking the LCM. So this is nothing but it is simply equal to 1 upon 2a into a by 2. Both the a's get cancelled. So the answer is 1 upon 4. This is the value for right hand side. So from both the values, I can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved that p of x less than a by 2 is equal to p of x greater than 3a by 2. Thank you.